Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably eager to link your American Express card to Cash App for seamless transactions. Today, I'm going to walk you through this process step by step. It's quicker than you think, and by the end, you'll be all set to use your Amex for everyday payments or transfers. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Cash App installed on your phone and that you already have an account set up. You'll also need your American Express card details handy, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV for security purposes. Oh, and remember, not all cards work perfectly with every app, but Amex is generally supported. I'll touch on any potential hiccups later. Step 1. Open the Cash App on your mobile device. You'll see the familiar green icon. Tap it to launch. Once you're in, look for the Banking tab at the bottom of the screen. It's usually represented by a little bank building icon. Tap on that to get started. Next, in the Banking section, you'll find an option to add a new bank or card. Go ahead and select Add Card. This will prompt you to enter your card information. Carefully input your American Express card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Double-check for any typos to avoid errors. After you've entered the details, Cash App might ask you to verify your card. This could involve a small test deposit or a one-time code sent to your email or phone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this. Once verified, your Amex card should appear in your list of linked cards. Now, a quick word on potential issues. Sometimes, American Express cards might not link right away due to network restrictions or bank policies. If you run into trouble, try updating your Cash App to the latest version or contact Amex customer support for assistance. It's rare, but it's good to be prepared. And there you have it. That's how you add your American Express card to Cash App. It's a straightforward process that can make managing your money even easier. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.